Today, I'm going to show you how to add texture and layers to the shoe. I'm going to show you what to do to make the shoe you want. Alright, we're going to open Photoshop. Then I'm going to add layers. I'm going to click on the paint bucket real quick. Alright. Now I'm going to do the heel tab and put a color to show you guys what to do. Alright, so I'm gonna make it red. Alright, so now I'm gonna make the color blue. And I'm gonna do the tongue. Alright, now I'm gonna go to the mesh. I'm gonna make it black. I'll show you guys how to do gradient. Just clicking on it real quick. Alright, so I delete that, did it wrong. And then you can go to your history and click on the paint bucket to where you did last, and you can delete it like that if you can't delete it already. Alright, so we're going to go back to the thing we used, the paint bucket, and we're going to click on gradient tool. Alright, so I made a black and blue, and I'm just going to go over it like that. Oh, I had it on tongue. Alright, go to mesh, and then I'm just going to go across it. Just going to make it the colors I want. Alright, so now after this, you could just do whatever you want to the shoe and finish the shoe that you would like. Alright.